Hello everyone, my name is Dimitri. Welcome to my YouTube channel about car sound deadening. Welcome to my workshop, and today we will have Nissan Navara. But before even proceed further, I have to prepare all my tools for disassembling, assembling and installing the material. Today we have a Nissan Navara. This is Australian ute, and let's take a look on it. Yes, car came for me with some dirty materials inside, and I will clean it later. But before, all car must be prepared to avoid any grease and dirty on the existing surfaces, and protection is a must-have for all cars that I'm working with. So I'm starting with the disassembling interior. The seats are first. With the customer we agreed that the scope of the sound deadening would be the full body, so I have to remove and trim all panels to have an access to the metal body. Central console is a plastic made, so it would be also soundproof to avoid any rattles between plastic and plastic. As you can see, carpet is made from rubber and has some synthetic padding inside. Portion of synthetic padding on some plastic elements, but it's not too much to stop the noise. I have to clean all surfaces before applying the new vibration damping. This is a must-have. And as you can see, there are just a few sheets of vibration damping, nothing on the rear wall. Let's see how loud it is right now, just with the knocking on the metal panels. The first material that I would use, this is a STP Gold vibration damping. This is 2.2 millimeters vibration damping with a advanced mastic and 100 micron foil on top. So the whole body would be firstly treated with a vibration damping, and I do special hollows in the sheets to have an access to wire mounts and seat mounts also. Rolling firmly is a mandatory step, otherwise the material will just not work as it should be. So now you can see the first layer was installed on the rear side wall, on the floor. All technical coils are opened, and also I put as deep as I can on the wheel arches. The second layer is a STP Bromo. This is a STP sandwich. It consists from the 3 different materials inside, and it will stop high and medium low frequency noise. Yeah, making technical holes, it's a little bit, it takes time, it's longer than just apply the sheet on top, but it will definitely worth it while putting everything back. See the final result of the second layer. Next for the roof, just check how loud it is, and there is absolutely nothing there. So the first layer is a vibration damping, it's a STP Silver. It will stop rattling and wind noise also. On top of that, it's a STP Splen. This one will stop the heat and also will absorb portion of sound waves. So it's time to talk about central console. To avoid playing and rattles inside, I do install vibration damping also, and firmly roll it to let it work. To be honest, all plastic components must be treated with the vibration damping because they are too light, and under all clips I install special anti-noise tape. It will avoid rattling of the whole plastic components while you will mount it into that place. And on top of that I install STP Biplast. This is a special foam with open cells, so it will absorb sound waves and will prevent echo. And to preparing everything, the carpet, to put it back. So now it's time to talk about the doors. Once the whole interior is done, I have to carefully remove all clips and components to have an access to the metal. I use special plastic removers. Do not destroy the original clips, and unscrew just one bolt there. And then carefully trim the plastic door panel. Don't forget about upper mount, it has 2 clips, so it's very easy to destroy them, so be careful. While disassembling, you have to unmount the all wirings connection, and let's take a look what we have in this plastic door card is just a tiny couple sheets of synthetic padding. It's okay that we have it, but we will definitely improve it. So firstly, after removing, I have to clean all plastic to prepare for vibration damping installation. Also remove all clip and install anti-noise tape under each of them. It will prevent playing and breathing your door card and contacting it to the metal panel. See how it sits, it's pretty firm. And then install portion of vibration damping. And on the perimeter I do install special STP Biplast line. It will avoid contact from plastic to metal. So let's time to work on the entire door. I have to remove this film. It just works as a protection from water and dust. Unfortunately, inside there is absolutely nothing. I have to degrease the metal before applying the vibration damping there. Don't forget to do this, otherwise material later on will just start disappearing. And firmly roll it with a special long roller, so I don't need to put my hands too deep into the door. And the second layer, it's a STP Sonora. It's also sandwich with the 3 components inside. It will stop medium and high frequency noise that are coming outside and keep your music bass inside. Plus it creates a proper enclosure. Closing all technical calls with the STP Gold. It's our basement while working on this car, doing and opening all technical calls. Yeah, it takes time, but it is required to properly close and create proper vibration damping. So let's check the result before and after. As a final step for all customers, I do quick cleaning for all plastic components and interior, so customer can enjoy his car while getting it back. Let's check the result. Yeah, it sounds more solid. And of course measure with a decibel digital meter to prove our validity. Please write in a comment if you can see the difference. So another beautiful car is done. This time it was Nissan Navara. It's a pickup, and initially customer has come to me with the problem that it's like a general noise while he's driving on a highway through the city. So we decided to do it once and soundproof the whole cabin. As you saw, I've started with disassembling the whole interior. I didn't find much vibration damping, just a couple of layers. That's a normal situation for the Nissan Toyota. But since we applied the first layer of vibration damping, the second sound and heat insulation sandwich from STP, now customer can start enjoying his ride. Besides, we improved the 4 doors also with different levels of soundproofing, with the vibration damping, the Sonora sandwich, once again vibration damping. All these tiny pieces I put into this video so you can see how thorough you should be while doing the soundproofing. And the last final thing that we soundproof the roof. It's especially important in Australia because while driving through the summer it's really hot, and the roof, it's approximately the half of the whole car. Even it's wide, we include vibration damping to stop rattling, because there is nothing, I didn't find any vibration damping on the roof. It's very strange. So in the second layer it was a STP Splen to stop heat coming inside. And finally just a quick wet and dry cleaning to let customer feel like it's a brand new car. Thanks for watching, see you in the next videos, stay tuned.